Hello, gardening friends! Welcome back to Poopit Garden, the channel where we share simple, practical, and inspiring gardening tips to make your home greener and more beautiful. Today, we're going to talk about 5 beautiful flowers that not only brighten up your garden, but are also easy to maintain and long-lasting. Perfect for beginners or for anyone who loves a touch of color without too much hassle. So, let's dive into our list of flowers that can thrive with minimal care yet give maximum beauty. 1. Marigold tagetes. The bright sunshine in your garden. Marigolds are one of the most popular low-maintenance flowers. With their bright orange and yellow petals, they can instantly light up any corner of your garden. They are also very tough. Marigolds can withstand hot weather and don't need rich soil to grow. What makes them even more special is that marigolds act as natural pest repellents. Their scent keeps mosquitoes and other harmful insects away, making them not only beautiful but also useful. Simply plant them in sunny spots, water them moderately, and you'll have cheerful blooms almost all year round. 2. Zinnia. Color explosion that keeps on blooming. If you love gardens filled with vibrant colors, zinnias are the perfect choice. They come in shades of red, pink, purple, yellow, and even multicolored varieties. Zinnias are incredibly hardy and will bloom for a long season as long as they receive full sunlight. They are also very beginner-friendly. You can grow them directly from seeds, and they don't require special fertilizers. Plus, zinnias are butterfly magnets. So if you want to bring pollinators into your garden, this is the flower to plant. Zinnias also have long-lasting cut flowers, meaning you can bring their beauty indoors as table decorations that can last in a vase for more than a week. 3. Geranium. Fragrance and charm in one. Geraniums are well-loved not just for their colorful flowers, but also for their pleasant fragrance. They are highly adaptable and can grow in pots, hanging baskets, or directly in your garden bed. With their red, pink, white, and purple blossoms, geraniums can add a romantic touch to your space. One of the best things about geraniums is that they are drought-tolerant. Even if you forget to water them for a couple of days, they will survive just fine. They also repel insects like flies and mosquitoes, so they serve both decorative and practical purposes. 4. Hibiscus. Tropical beauty that keeps blooming. If you want your garden to look tropical and exotic, hibiscus is an excellent choice. Known for its large, stunning flowers in bright shades of red, yellow, orange, and pink, hibiscus can instantly turn your yard into a mini tropical paradise. Despite their showy looks, hibiscus plants are surprisingly easy to care for. They thrive in warm climates, need only moderate watering, and bloom repeatedly throughout the year if placed in sunny spots. What's more, hibiscus flowers are long-lasting compared to other tropical flowers. In many cultures, they are also used for teas and herbal remedies, making them not only beautiful but also beneficial. 5. Bougainvillea. Endless blooms with minimal effort. Bougainvillea is a superstar when it comes to low-maintenance, long-lasting beauty. This climbing plant produces clusters of bright pink, purple, orange, or white bracts that cover the plant almost year-round. Once established, Bougainvillea requires very little care, just plenty of sunlight and occasional pruning. They are also extremely drought-tolerant, making them ideal for busy gardeners or those living in warmer regions. Whether you grow them along fences, trellises, or in pots, Bougainvillea will reward you with endless cascades of color. So, gardening friends, those are 5 beautiful flowers that are easy to care for and long-lasting. Perfect choices for anyone who wants a colorful and lively garden without too much work. From the bright marigolds and cheerful zinnias to the fragrant geraniums, tropical hibiscus, and ever-blooming bougainvillea, you have a variety of options to suit your garden style. The best part? All of these flowers don't just add beauty, but they also offer practical benefits like attracting pollinators, repelling pests, and even providing herbal uses. Thank you for watching Poopit Garden. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow garden lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration every week. Which flower is your favorite from today's list? Or do you already grow one of these at home? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep planting, keep growing, and keep your garden blooming beautifully.